ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
Right now, I'm standing in front of
Sridevi Institute of Technology.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಏನು. Let's have it.
Welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings you campus news from around Mangaluru. I'm your host, Jovezo. Let's have a quick glance at the headlines.
St. Aloysius gives fond farewell to retired staffs. SDM Law College organized National Fest. St. Aloysius College celebrates Degree Day. St. Aloysius conducts Epitome 2015.
Teaching should be such that what is offered is perceived as a valuable gift and not as a hard duty. Good teachers teach us by lighting up imaginations and motivate by giving inspirations. Farewell to such teachers was given by St. Aloysius Institution.
The management and the staff together of St. Aloysius Institution of Mangalore Jesuit Educational Society facilitated the faculty for giving their selfless services to the institute for decades. In the presence of their spouses, MJS members and the staff of the institute. Remembering and cherishing the services rendered by the eminent staff members and the services which they gave for the students. This year, 6 eminent persons, Mr. Ronald Pinto, Mr. G. Ramachandran Bhatt, Dr. George Rodriguez, Mr. Joseph M. D'Souza, Mr. M. L. Sureshnath, and Miss Mary D'Souza were honored. Vice President of the MJS and the Rector of the St. Aloysian Institution, Reverend Father Denzel Lobo S.J., in his farewell speech to the retiring staff expressed his gratitude and thanked them for the services given to the institution and encouraged other staffs for the support to the institution. Mr. M. L. Sureshnath, Faculty of Kannada of St. Aloysius High School, expressed his feeling to Campus Eye.
ವರ್ಷ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪನ ನಡೆಸಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ 2014ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲು ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಎನಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ನನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ, ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಹಾಗೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈದ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ದುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೂ ನನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಗುರುತಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಅನೇಕ ಇತರ
A good lawyer is not a man who has an eye to every side, an angle of contingency, but one who throws his life to render justice. One such attempt towards it was made by the student of SDM Law College.
SDM Law College is organizing a national level law fest. Let's have a look.
Victoria Norris was a time-setting event encompassing innovative and creative voting events such as child counseling, trial advocacy, bail petition, mock trial were the events calling out the best potential of the future law practitioners.
because they parked the car in a parking and it was lost.
Students hailing from the top law schools across the nation were largely benefited by the event that was enhancing towards the practical exposure and one which reflected the students to implement, practice and work towards the victory of law. The staff convener of the event enlightened the main objective and the mission of the event by sharing his view with Campus Eye.
few other competitions are there. The overall objective of these competitions is to bring out the best talents of the students across the law, represent their law schools across India. So with this, not only the students coming from outside are beneficiaries, our students also will be beneficial because as the witnesses, as the clients, they will interact with the students who are coming from outside. They will get plenty of information because of them. So it is a
The National Level Fest was inaugurated on 12th March by Uma MG, the Honorable District and the Special Judge Mangalore, and Shri S.P. Chandrappa as the Chief Guest. University Law College Bangalore and the Alliance University won the runner-up, followed by National Law School of Bangalore won the first place in the event. Rishabh Raj, the student and the enthusiastic participant, shared his experience with the campus life.
Factual situation made in our competition. We made two appeal in the High Court and appeal on the same bail petition. In the instant present case, it was the case on the Asana Babu case for seeking the bail petition. After that, enhancing the skill of advocacy.
Victoria Lawrence have been benefiting the large number of students from across the country to be the potential law practitioners through the legal service organized by SDM College. The camp person is Shivani reporting for Campus.
The purpose of college is not just restrict to studies, but also to enhance knowledge, skills and talents, to explore with oneself. To showcase such talents, St. Aloysius College Mangaluru organized its Degree Day.
ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ನಗರದ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೈಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಅನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಆಚರಿಸಿದರು. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ ಈ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡೇಯ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ತೋರಿಸಲಿದೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಗರದ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 13ರಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಈ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆ, ಕ್ರೀಡೆ, ಕಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಹೀಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು.
Akshata G, Rajata KG.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆ ಎಂದರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾದ ಉಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೊಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ನಟನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕೊನೆಯ ವರ್ಷದ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಾದ ರಿಯಾ ಪಾಲೇಕರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
Degree Day, I love it because we get chance to perform extracurricular activities.
ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರ ವಿತರಣೆಯ ನಂತರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಸಂಗೀತ, ನೃತ್ಯ ಹೀಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿರುವ ಲಿಸನ್ ತಾನಿಯಾ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ ಇವರು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡೇಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತ ಅನುಭವ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
Feel nostalgic thinking about the entire year, the way we spent it, and I think I'm going to go back home with so many memories. This year has been such a fruitful one, and I work with a wonderful team with the student council, and the student council director has supported us so much along with the principal, and finally we are here at the final Degree Day 2014-15. I hope all of us take the best out of this college and utilize it to the full potential.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅನೇಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಶಿವಾನಿ ಜೊತೆ ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿತಿನ್, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
Technology is the most important tools of any organizations and creates an efficient idea. Epitome 15 is the annual fest conducted by the PG School of IT as an occasion for all the students to showcase their innovative skills and talents.
Was organized on March 12th by PG School of IT Emit, St. Aloysius College, Mangaluru. Father Denzil Lobo, SJ, Director of St. Aloysius Institutions, shared the objectives of Epitome.
So we believe that education is not just sitting in the classroom doing well in the exam, which is important, but it's not the only thing. We have a lot of curricular, extracurricular activities are there. So the idea is expose these young students to various topics in IT.
and it was well organized by us, very, very well organized by our students. All those who participated in Epitome, coming from different colleges, really appreciated the way it was conducted, and the quality of the competitions also was very much appreciated by them.
Students from in and around Mangaluru participated in the event. The program was inaugurated by Chief Guest Dr. Aloysius Sequeira, Professor of Social Science and Management at NITK. He emphasized on the opportunity that are open to the students. He asked the students to work on solutions that are lacking even with all the technological advances around us. The fest was run successfully with 15 events such as IT quiz, gaming, debate, editing, news hunt. The program ended with ovations and appreciations, infusing a feeling of accomplishment in everyone.
So that's it for this week. Keep watching Campus Eye. I'm Joe Vizzo, signing off for this week.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್